ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
سبعة وعشرون
27.
27.
في الفندق الوصول
In the hotel. Arrival.
In the hotel. Arrival.
أعندكم غرفة خالية؟
Do you have a vacant room?
Do you have a vacant room?
لقد حجزت عندكم غرفة.
I have booked a room.
I have booked a room.
اسمي ميلر.
My name is Miller.
My name is Miller.
أحتاج لغرفة سرير واحد.
I need a single room.
I need a single room.
أحتاج لغرفة سريرين.
I need a double room.
I need a double room.
كم سعر الغرفة لليلة؟
What does the room cost per night?
What does the room cost per night?
أريد غرفة مع حمام بانيو.
I would like a room with a bathroom.
I would like a room with a bathroom.
أريد غرفة مع حمام دوش.
I would like a room with a shower.
I would like a room with a shower.
أيمكن أن أرى الغرفة؟
Can I see the room?
Can I see the room?
أيوجد هنا موقف سيارات؟
Is there a garage here?
Is there a garage here?
أتوجد هنا خزينة أمانات؟
Is there a safe here?
Is there a safe here?
أيوجد هنا جهاز فاكس؟
Is there a fax machine here?
Is there a fax machine here?
جيد، أنا أأخذ الغرفة.
Fine, I'll take the room.
Fine, I'll take the room.
هنا المفاتيح.
Here are the keys.
Here are the keys.
هنا أمتعتي.
Here is my luggage.
Here is my luggage.
متى يكون الإفطار؟
What time do you serve breakfast?
What time do you serve breakfast?
متى يكون الغداء؟
What time do you serve lunch?
What time do you serve lunch?
متى يكون العشاء؟
What time do you serve dinner?
What time do you serve dinner?